Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. And yeah, today we're gonna do a review on Replay Pro. So here it is. If you can see it, Replay Pro. Play for fun, play for one, play for keeps, or play 2-1. Play again, replay. Gentry Stan. So yeah, here's him. For those who didn't know, Gentry Stan won this year in the national contest in 2016, I believe. So I will put a more video right there. So yeah, let's show you. So yeah, this is the Galaxy color. So if you look at it closer, this. Alright. And again, nothing much is in there but strain and instructions. So yeah, it looks like this here is pretty good. Looking forward to play with it. Okay, I think it's the normal battery. Oh dear, it's so dry. Anyway, we are going to try this out. See how this goes. So yeah, this is the Yo-Yo Factory Replay, World 1 by Gentry Stan. So yeah, as you can see, the arrows along it. So interesting, huh? And it says right there. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put the weight, all the weight and width right there. So yeah. Okay, so let's try these things out. First of all, I think that when I first tried this yo-yo, it's very loud. I don't know why. It's the bearing might be dry or something. Again, I mentioned that before. But other than that, it plays really just like a normal yo-yo. A speed combo made it just fine. This should work just fine for region. Grinding is okay. You just gotta throw it harder if you want to have a grinding. Horizontal, it looks pretty good too. You look at how like the weight is pretty heavy, so like it usually push it down, so you gotta do a little bit faster than normal. I mean, I'm not the best horizontal player you can ask for, so comment below what you thought. Finger spins are okay. They're not the best. You just gotta throw it harder, but also you gotta do it fast. It only lasts minimum 5 seconds. Other than that, I think the heel is really good for quality. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this yo. Alright, so this yo-yo works just fine. As you can see, Gentry Stan won the national title with this yo-yo. I think that the only problem with the yo-yo is that when you cut a knot and try to put it together, it's very hard to not put too much pressure, so be very gentle with it, I guess. Because otherwise you will slip the yo-yo and the yo-yo will start feeling the vibe. It will hurt the yo-yo very badly. So I don't know, comment below what you thought about this video. And yeah, that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy your day. And yeah, let me know what you thought about this video. And if you want it, the link in below. Yeah, comment what your thoughts. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.